So, what would you say is the easiest digital side hustle someone could actually start after retirement?
Believe it or not, it's digital marketing, specifically promoting digital products with master resale rights. It's what helped a grandma from Canada go from zero to over $9,000 in just 1 week.
Wait, hold on. She made that after retirement?
Yup. At 56, a grandma of 3 grandkids thought she'd be working until 75, but learning this skill changed everything.
That's impressive. But isn't digital marketing super technical? Like funnels, automations, platforms?
That's what I thought too. But honestly, it's mostly plug and play now. There are systems that walk you through everything step by step, even if you're not techie.
Okay, but what exactly does she do?
She learned how to promote digital courses online. Once you understand how to connect people with what they need using social media platforms, you can make 100% profit reselling that course.
So, like an affiliate?
Kind of, but better. You actually own the license to resell. No inventory, no shipping, no awkward conversations with Aunt Martha about hosting parties.
Ha! So, how did she learn all this? Was she already an influencer?
Oh no, she barely used Facebook. She didn't even know what TikTok was. But the course teaches you how to grow from zero, even if you've never created content before.
What platforms does she use?
She started with Facebook, then got creative on TikTok. Now she is even monetizing YouTube. It's become fun, and honestly, her grandkids help with the dances sometimes.
I'm loving this already. But realistically, how long does it take to start seeing results?
Most people aim to make $1,000 to $3,000 a month. That's totally doable. She started part-time, nights and weekends, and built it up slowly.
What about the automation part you mentioned earlier?
That's the magic. Once your funnel is set up, it collects leads, sends emails, follows up. It works 24/7. She has made sales while sitting at the beach.
Seriously? Like passive income?
Exactly. I call it a freedom machine. It works even when I don't. I still spend 2-3 hours a day on content, but the funnel handles the rest.
And you don't pay for ads?
Nope. All organic traffic. Just learning how to create authentic, consistent content that reaches the right people.
Well, that's the key, right? Not being perfect, just being real.
100%. You don't have to be viral, just honest. Share your journey, help others.
So, what would you say to someone listening right now who's intrigued but hesitant?
Don't wait. You don't have to move fast, you just need to start. Take the free class, watch the blueprint, and see if it feels right for you.
And they'll walk you through the setup?
Every step. That's how she did it. She paused, rewound, watched again. If she can do it, anyone can.
Final question, what's your biggest wow moment since starting this?
Sitting in a water park with her grandkids in February, watching commissions come in on my phone while escaping the Canadian cold.
Okay, that's the dream. Time, income, and freedom all wrapped into one.
Exactly. Retirement shouldn't be a deadline. It should be a launchpad. And this hustle gave her that.
So if you're out there wondering if it's too late, it's not.
It's never too late to build something new. Just start. Your freedom machine is waiting.